To modify a file, you must check it out. When you check out a file, Perforce adds information about the file to a change list and changes the writable attribute of the file in your local workspace from read-only to read-write. A change list defines a logical grouping of work across a set of files and folders. Information contained in a change list includes the change list identifier, a list of files, the date the changes were committed, etc. The files identified in a single change list can have any combination of changes that might be made to a set of files in a workspace, including edits to file contents, the addition or deletion of files and folders, file renames, etc. A change list can be in one of three states: pending, submitted, and shelved. Unsubmitted change lists are referred to as pending change lists. Once a change list has been successfully submitted to the server, the change list state is updated to submitted. Shelved change lists are a special form of pending change list. You can use shelved change lists to temporarily store workspace files on the server without submitting your changes to the versioned file repository. The Perforce server keeps track of the files you have checked out in pending change lists stored in the system metadata. When you view a change list in a Perforce GUI client, you are looking at a local copy of the change list stored on the server. Perforce maintains a default pending change list in the system metadata for every workspace. When you check out a file, you can add it to the default pending change list for your workspace, or create a new numbered pending change list for your work. Organizing your files across change lists dedicated to a specific scope of work is a good practice. For example, you might have the work you are doing on a new product feature in one change list and the files you are modifying to fix a product bug in another. Perforce keeps track of a number sequence used for change list IDs. When you create a new numbered pending change list for a set of files you want to edit, Perforce assigns an ID number for the change list using the next number in the sequence. When you submit changes in a numbered pending change list, Perforce verifies that the number originally assigned to the change list is still the next number in the sequence. If not, which is most often the case when many people are working simultaneously in the same depot, Perforce generates a new ID number for the change list using the next number in the sequence before storing the change list in the system metadata. Because Perforce generates unique ID numbers for each submitted change list in sequential order, the change list IDs reflect the time each change list was submitted to the server.